Hello, Janice Sanborn here with eXp Realty. I want to invite you to my open house I'm having this Sunday, July 7th from 10 till 2. I'm going to be here a long time, so a lot of time to visit me. I am at 5563 Shadow Lawn Drive on the beautiful Siesta Key. This house is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath each bedroom has its own bathroom, split floor plan. This house was under contract, fell through, no fault of the seller. So the seller is, well, lucky for you, you have an opportunity to still buy it, and the seller's motivated. So please come visit me. I'll show you the backyard. So here's the backyard. It's got a beautiful pool and it's very private. The landscape is beautiful, so it'll be a nice quiet area to hang out in your little backyard oasis. It has an outdoor shower. So I'm not gonna lie, this house needs updating, but they are motivated. It's priced to sell. So come take a look and see what you think. This house, the great thing about it too is the location. You could literally walk to Siesta Key, voted most beautiful beach in the world, many years in a row, like in 5 minutes. The Siesta Key Village you could walk there if you wanted to, 15-minute walk, but it's a couple-minute drive. So the location is beautiful. July 7th, 10 till 2. This Sunday. I'll see you here. Bye.